Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today we'll be learning how to delete repost on TikTok, and now let's dive right in. Now to delete repost on TikTok, first open up your TikTok app, and on this interface guys, you'll be required to tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on your profile icon, and on this interface guys, you can see we are on the video post section of our account, and there are a bunch of icons for us over here where it is the lock, and this is the story archive, and here on this interface guys, on the double arrow, this is the repost section of TikTok, and all of the videos you had reposted on TikTok on your account will be available over here. Now in order to delete or repost on TikTok, first open up the video which you want to remove or delete from your account. And on this interface guys, at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see your share icon available for us at the bottom right corner of our screen. Let's tap on the share icon, and this kind of menu will appear for the reposted videos, where you can see there is the remove repost button available for us just beside the messenger icon. The moment you tap on that remove repost button, like guys, the post will be removed from your account, and over here guys, you can see that repost has been removed from TikTok. And there guys, this is how to delete repost on TikTok. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.